So first, please subscribe our channel and like this video, press the bell icon and make sure to join our WhatsApp and Telegram. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bang on Theory. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss TCS IRA 24 July Unix questions. So friends, video is very important, so please don't skip this video and please subscribe our channel and like this video. If you have any problem, you can freely ask in comment section. So first we read this question very carefully and then we will move towards the solution part, and we will also discuss some basic concepts which we need to use in this solution. Okay. So the question says, write the Unix command to print the total amount required to increase the salary of all the employees working in accounts department by 10% and display only the total amount calculated as the output. So situation is we want to increase the salary of all the employees working in accounts department, okay, by 10%, and we only need to display the total amount calculated as output. And searching should be case insensitive, and given fields are name, designation, department and salary. So input format is already given. There are 4 fields. First is name, designation, department, salary, and we only need to find out 10% only for accounts department, okay, and do the summation and at last display the total amount calculated as the output. Okay, and we need to use appropriate command line arguments to access the detail in our file. So we will discuss later about this. Okay, I hope you understood. Sample test case, input is already given and output should be this. This is the total amount. Okay, we need to increase the salary of all the employees working in accounts department, okay, by the 10%. Okay. So before discuss the solution, let's discuss some basic concepts which we need to use in this solution. So we already discussed about AWK and begin and end section. So if you don't know and if you want to see, so you can see our previous video. Okay, so we already discussed about AWK and begin and end section, but we also need to know about the execution flow of begin and end pattern. Okay, so begin pattern we already discussed about. This means that AWK will execute the actions specified in begin once before any input lines are read. Okay, and in end patterns AWK will execute the actions specified in end before it actually exists. Okay, so it's starting section and ending section. Okay, but flow of execution of the AWK command script, okay, which contains these special pattern is as follows. So first is when the begin pattern is used in a script, okay, all of the actions for begins, okay, which we write are that particular patterns are executed, okay, that particular script are executed once before any input line is read. Okay, so first step is before any input line is read, all patterns which we written in this begin section and begin pattern is executed. Okay, then an input line is read and parsed into a different fields. Okay, third is each of the non-special patterns, okay, which we write non-special pattern specified is compared with the input line. Each non-special patterns compared with the input line. If matching is found, the actions for that particular patterns are executed, and this stage will be repeated for all the patterns, and we can say for all the inputs which we have specified. Okay, next stage 2 and 3 are repeated for all the input lines, and at last our ending pattern actions will be executed, okay, before the exit. Okay, I hope you understood the execution flow of begin and end. Okay, so now let's talk about the grep command. So we need to use this grep command in our solution in this question. Okay, so grep is an acronym that stands for global regular expression print. Okay, so this tool is used to search for a string of character. If we want to find out and search for a particular string of characters in a specified file, so we can use this grep command. The text search pattern is called for a regular expression. Okay, so let's talk about the particular options provided in this grep command. So if we want to search a particular pattern inside the file, so we can use this syntax grep command and particular text or string. and character which you want to search and file name. Okay, if you want to search a particular pattern and text inside the multiple files, okay, so we can use this syntax grep command and particular text string and multiple files. If we want to find out for whole words, so grep allows you to find and print the results for whole words only. To search for the word phoenix in this example in all the files in the current directory, append w option to the grep command. So we can use this w option, okay, with grep command to find whole words only. Okay, so next is most important, to ignore case in grep searches. This option we need to use in our solution also in this question. So we can use this I option to ignore case insensitivity. Okay, so grep commands are case sensitive. One of the most useful operators for grep searches is I option. Instead of printing lowercase results only, the terminal display both uppercase and lowercase results. So we can ignore case sensitivity. The output includes lines with mixed case entry. Okay, so we can use this grep I option and particular text or string. I hope you understood. Okay, so but what if I don't want to use grep to do this, and if I don't want to use grep for ignoring case sensitivity, and I don't want to use this I option to ignore case sensitivity, so there is another option. We can use this ignore case built-in variable. Okay, so use awk built-in variable called ignore case. Enable ignore case switch with search pattern. Okay, so let's see this example. To search for a particular word available, which sometimes returns as available in lowercase or available in uppercase. Okay, so we can use this ignore case awk inbuilt variable example as below. Okay, so inside this awk begin section, we can initialize this ignore case inbuilt variable equals to 1. So this variable directly work as a ignoring case sensitivity. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let's move towards the solution. So in first solution we used grep command with I option, okay, to ignore case sensitivity, and we also need to find out the accounts department. For searching we use this grep command. Okay, so read all the input records, then grep command use for searching accounts department, and I to ignore case sensitivity, and then awk script in begin section initialize as variables equals to 0, and to find out the summation for the salary field. So salary field is fourth field. Okay, so we can easily find out the 10%, okay, of fourth field of only for the accounts department, and do the summation, and at last in end section print the summation. Only need to display the total summation output, okay, which we need to increase the salary of all employees to the 10%. Okay, and we can also use ignore case variable. We already discussed about this. Start with awk in begin section, same as the above solution, s equals to 0 and ignore case equals to 1. Okay, to ignore case sensitivity, and for condition for searching of accounts department we can apply if statement. If third field is designation field, if designation department field, if department field equals to accounts, okay, then find out the 10% and do the summation. At last print s. I hope you understood solution and as well as basic concepts. If you have any problem and if you have any query, you can freely ask in comment section. So friends, please support our channel, subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. So thanks for watching. Please support our channel, join and follow us.